Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to track your iPhone should in case it gets stolen, and a few settings to make it on your phone to make it easier for you to track it in the future. Alright, this is going to be our missing phone, and this is going to be the phone to which we use to track our phone. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to make a few settings on your phone to make it easier. So without further delay, let's hop right into it. So to do that, I'm going to head straight to our settings app. We're going to click on the Apple ID section. We're going to look for Find My, and we're going to turn it on. Okay, it is already on over here. I'm going to make sure all these settings are activated. This will enable you to track your phone should in case they go offline or they are turned off, because it will send the last location to the Find My app. This is going to help you track the last location to which the phone was on or went offline. Alright, so say I misplaced this phone and I'm using my friend's phone to track this phone over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the Find My app on this phone. I'm going to click on the profile, that is the me icon over here, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to help a friend. We're going to wait for this to load, and I'm going to sign into my Apple ID from here. We're going to click on use a different Apple account. Okay, now from here now, since this is not our phone, we can't save our password over here, so I'm going to click on never for this website, and this is my phone now, as you can see over here. Now if I want to track it, I'm going to click on it. So from here you can track the location of your phone. So as it stands right now, this is where the phone is. Okay, this is the location of my phone right now. And say you've been able to track the phone to a place and you can't find it, but that is where the phone is. See, this phone is very small. It's not like a building to which you can say, okay, maybe this is the phone. You can actually let the phone play a sound so that you can find the exact location of the phone around you. That is around you, okay, by just clicking over here. Yes, and you can see there's this sound it's making right now, and then the only way to stop this sound is by opening the phone. Okay, this is one way. So another scenario is you have not been able to track the phone yet, and you want to make sure whoever has the phone can reach out to you. Okay, you're going to put this lost phone lock on it with a note giving out a phone number so they can reach you on it and give you the phone. Okay, so you're going to put your number over here, and you're going to add an extra note. Maybe this iPhone has been stolen, please call me. Okay, and you're going to activate this. When you do that, this comes on the phone and the person cannot use it. The only thing the person can do over here is to call the number on the screen. So the third scenario is you have so much important information on your phone and you can't risk it leaking or getting to someone, right? So what you do is you can erase everything on the phone and you are good to go. But since this phone is not missing, I am not going to try that for this video. Now after you have found your phone, you just swipe up and enter your code to remove the lost mode lock from the phone, and from here you are good to go. You have your phone. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. if it was helpful.